In this video, I'm gonna be investing $200 in the stock market as a teenager. But before getting into this, I have to clarify some things. The account I'm using is not mine, it's from my dad. But he just gave me full permission to access it and to do all sort of trades on his account. But before you replicate this, just make sure to talk to your parents or whatever one's responsible for you guys, just that you don't get into some trouble. And now, let's get started. In this video, we're gonna be doing this with $200 for 3 days. But if you guys wanna see a second part of this video called Trading with $400 as a teenager, make sure to drop a like down below. And if we reach 100 likes, I promise you guys that we'll be doing this video soon. Now, as you can probably see, this is not my real, this is my virtual portfolio where I'm training for trading. And yes, I'm doing real well. Just see the numbers. But now let's switch to the real portfolio with real money. Now I'm gonna be blurring some numbers and the username out just in case. As of right now, the markets are really volatile, and that's why I only use a maximum leverage of ×2 during this period. I'm currently watching the markets, and if I see a buying opportunity, I will be right back. As you can see, this is the Apple stock. I decided to go in with $80 and a ×5 leverage, just because Apple is a really stable company and they also have good chances to go upwards in the next days. Just take a look at the chart. And now let's go in with $80. As of right now, and after a few hours of, just watching the markets, I just realized that the Nasdaq is really not doing well today, and it's pretty much minus 100 points, and that's not good. And what I just thought is I will be investing $200 with a leverage of ×20. I know this is ridiculously high, but for the purposes of this video, I will just go out with that risk. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this with $200 and not our budget, which is currently stands at 193.5, I believe. It's just because eToro doesn't accept trades below $200 regarding the Nasdaq, and that's why I want to go ahead and open this with $200. Let's go. Guys, as you can see, I just closed yesterday's trade of the Nasdaq, and now we have a whopping $25 of profit. Wednesday. Today I didn't see any opportunities to go in, that's why our budget is still $218. And we have 2 days left for this challenge. See you on Thursday. Today the markets looks very green, which is pretty unfortunate for us since we don't have anything invested. Since our first Nasdaq trade was so successful, I decided to do this a second time with the same budget and leverage. But this time I bought in at a significantly higher price than last time. Now I have to keep my fingers crossed for the trade, and by the way, I set my take profit at $50 in green. Guys, I'm so happy that I closed yesterday's position with a solid profit of $15, which means that we gained around $33 across this challenge. Since today's Easter, the markets are closed, except the Nasdaq and Dow Jones, which were open until 3 p.m. Anyway, that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. If you do, then please leave a sub. It really helps out the channel. Smash the like button and write down below what challenges you guys want to see in the future. That's it, and happy Easter.